In this video I'm going to show you how to get meta verified on Instagram. So to get meta verified on Instagram, first you must know that it costs, I think it's around $7 or $10 a month, and not everybody will be able to have access to meta verified. But to see if you have access, go to your profile, click on edit profile, and then you see sign up for meta verified. It's going to open up this, and then just click join the waitlist. If you don't have it here, you go back to the hamburger menu, settings and privacy, account center, and the same thing should be displayed here. And that's basically how you get it. If you already have it, just click on it, sign up, enter your credit card information, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video helped you out, comment something like this video helped me out. If you didn't, let me know what was your problem, and I will do my best to figure it out.